Pretty sweet, huh?
Where did you get that?
From a biker friend of mine. I did him a favor once.
What kind of favor?
You really want to know?
Nuh-uh. All right. Okay, so how exactly...
Mr. Monk, why don't you just wait here? I can do this.
No. When I talk to Leland, I have to tell him that I checked it out myself.
Okay, then let's do it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Brand new, straight from the factory. Nobody's even worn it.
Yeah.
Mr. Monk, if you don't put it on, bugs are going to fly into your mouth.
Can't you just avoid them?
I can't avoid the bugs.
Sure you can. You see a bug. Zigzag. You see another bug. Zigzag.
If you don't put it on, we're not going.
What's so funny?
Nothing, sorry. I was just thinking about something else. You look great. Here you go. Hop on.
You stop laughing, will you, please?
All right. Born to be mild.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Instead of wild, then you said mild. That's hilarious. Okay. We're here at Linda's house. She had 20 minutes to get there, so you're really going to have to haul bottom.
Haul bottom?
That's biker talk. It just means don't stop for anything. All right?
Got it. All right, hold on.
To what?
To me.
I'm okay.
Mr. Mike, you're going to fall off the seat.
I know what I'm doing, okay? I'll just lean forward. It's called weight displacement. We're wasting valuable time. Let's do it. Ready. And go!
Are you all right?
Wipes.